What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be telling you all about Google Photos. Whether you're a professional photographer or someone who just likes to take pictures, Google Photos is the best service to share and store your photos in the cloud. In the cloud simply means that your photos will be stored on a server somewhere in the world and not necessarily on your laptop or your smartphone, which is very helpful when you want to free up space on your device. And the awesome part about it is that Google Photos is available across any device, whether you're on Mac, PC, iPhone, Android, or you simply can access it via the web. All you need to take advantage of this service is a Google account. Simply go to Google, sign up for a Gmail account, and then you can use that account to use Google Photos as well as all the other services provided by Google. When you first log in to Google Photos with your Gmail account, you will be prompted to select your desired quality settings. These are high quality and original quality. The difference is that original quality will tend to quickly deplete your Google Photos storage allowance. By selecting the high quality option, your photos will be uploaded in 16 megapixel quality and your videos in 1080p. And this will all be done for free, unlimited. To back up and sync your photos from your smartphone, simply go to the overflow icon, which are the three horizontal lines in the corner of your screen. Then go to settings and backup and sync. You may want to toggle the backup and sync option on and then navigate to the backup and sync device folders. With the backup and sync device folders, you can simply toggle them on and off for if you want to back up the entire folder, or if you wish, you could go to the device folders and select the photos that you want backed up individually. Simply select the photos that you want, hit the menu button, and then hit backup now. To back up photos from your desktop, Mac, or via the web, simply drag and drop the photos into the Google Photos interface. And while you're at it, you may also want to toggle backing up over mobile data and roaming off, because your service provider is going to have a field day with you at the end of it. Google Photos also makes it super easy to organize the photos that you have just backed up. To create an album with Google Photos, simply select all the photos that you want included in an album, hit the plus sign, and then select create an album. You could also select create a shared album. However, you can also share the album that you just created later on if you don't want to share it immediately. Be sure to include a title for your album, and feel free to add the location where the photos were taken as well. To share an album with a friend or family member, simply go to the album, hit the menu button, those are those three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android, and hit share. You will be presented with a list of the email addresses of people that you've contacted using your phone, that you can simply just select the email address to share with them in Google Photos if they're already using Google Photos. Alternatively, you could send them the link and you will get a notification when they have viewed the photos in the album. Another way to share your album is to go to the menu button, select options, and then go to invite people, and you can enter the email address there. You could also share the link to the album via other apps such as WhatsApp, text message, Facebook, whichever application that you want to use to share the link to the person, or you can even use email. With shared albums, you could also allow the people that you have shared the album with to add photos from their device to the album as well. Suppose that you have attended some event with your friends or family, and one of you guys created an album for that event, and you took some pictures together. Then let's just say it's me. I can upload the pictures from my device to that album. My friend can also upload pictures from that were taken with their device to that album, and anybody else that the album is shared with, they can also upload pictures from that day or from that event to that album. So all the pictures from that particular event or that particular day will be stored in that one album, and everybody included in the pictures will have access to photos that were taken of them that day. When an album is shared with you, you need to download the pictures from the shared album to your Google Photos library. Otherwise, if that album gets deleted by the owner, you lose access to all the photos that have been shared in that album. So to save the pictures to your Google Photos library, all you have to do is go to the album, and then you can hit the download from the cloud button, and that looks like a cloud with a down arrow. Alternatively, you can go to the individual pictures and select the ones that you want to save to your library or to your phone. The download from the cloud option would download all the pictures in that shared album to your Google Photos library. So whether or not that shared album gets deleted, you will always have access to the photos from that album in your Google Photos library. Oh my god, my picture is lost. No worries. Pictures that get deleted from your Google Photos album will remain in your trash bin for a period of 30 days. It's 30, or is it 60? Let's see. It's 60. To restore pictures to your Google Photos library, simply go to the overflow stack icon, go to bin, select the photos that you want restored, and then hit restore. Google's algorithm and AI are so incredible that they will group the pictures of certain people, pets, places, and things into albums for you without any kind of human intervention. So in case you go to your Google Photos library and realize that you have an album dedicated to the likes of some celebrity that you have never interacted with, that's just Google working for you. Of course, like all things digital, the algorithm tends to make mistakes every now and again. So you might want to go through the albums of the faces that have been grouped together to ensure that pictures of your mom aren't grouped with pictures of your grandma. I find this really helpful around the birthdays of my family members. I don't have to go through my entire maybe 10,000 picture library.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
To find photos of my cousin who is celebrating her birthday today, I can simply go to the album that Google created for her and find pictures of her in there, and then just flood my WhatsApp status with pictures of her. You're welcome. Google Photos also allows you to edit your photos in the Google Photos app. Simply go to the photo that you want to edit, hit the setting buttons. There are a few filters provided by Google that you could use to apply to your photo, or you could hit settings again and adjust the lighting, the exposure, saturation, shadows, highlights, make everything pop, or you could simply rotate and crop. Another nice feature that Google Photos provides is the ability to make other kinds of art, like animations and collages. To create an animation, simply select a few photos and hit the plus sign and create an animation. Or to create a collage, select the photos that you want, hit the plus sign and select collage instead. Collages don't work so well in my opinion because I find that sometimes the vertical photos are placed in a horizontal part of the collage and I don't see the details that I really want captured. Editing videos in Google Photos, however, is more limited. If you go to the video, hit settings, you will only be able to stabilize or rotate your video. However, you can select a group of videos, hit the plus sign and create a movie. You could select the clips of the videos that you want to include in your movie, and you could also add some music in the background. Google Photos is a one-stop shop for storing, organizing, and editing your pictures. It frees up a lot of space on your device. Trust me, I'm one of those people that takes pictures of everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. And I've been using Google Photos for over 10 years now. No, that's no indication for my age. But back then, Google Photos was known as Picasso albums, and it was bought over by Google and revamped, renewed, enhanced, whatever you want to call it. I've been a fan since then because sharing photos using this service is so easy, and my family knows that. When you have your own selfie photo shoot, I don't want those pictures sent through WhatsApp. WhatsApp decreases the quality of pictures a ton. To be able to share them quickly so that they can be downloaded without depleting your mobile data too much. So by simply sending a link in Google Photos, it makes it just so much easier. You have good quality photos, you can print them later, you can create flyers, all kinds of designs. You could even create a photo book. You could do that in Google Photos. So my advice to everyone is make use of Google Photos. Listen, I'm not just saying that because I am a Google employee up here. I am saying this to you because these devices, these smartphones, they have limited storage and you want to free up space on your device, but you don't want to lose those treasured memories, do you? So Google Photos is a really essential app to have on your smartphone, on your tablet, on your laptop. You can sync your photos across all your devices and have all your memories in one place. So thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.